Finally, guys, let's get to start of today. So, guys, before we get to Musamsaleko and Mpilo's biological mother, let's start with Tshiamo. If there's one person who know how to hide something, it's Tshiamo, guys. Not long ago, Tshiamo Smith, she did post her pregnancy photo shoot. Yesterday, she took to Instagram, and this is what she has to say. Let me take this opportunity to thank you all for the great birthday wishes. I highly appreciate your love. Today is a special birthday celebration as we welcome a new member for the family as they Buthelezi born today, 8 May. I'm no longer celebrating 8 May alone. I have a twin, mom and the newborn. We are fine. Siyabonga Jehovah Namashenge. So guys, congratulations to Tshiamo, guys. If there's one thing I will say, Tshiamo has a good friends, because some friends, they will never hide this thing, guys. They will keep on posting, or they will just send to these bloggers and expose you. Guys, we know that yesterday it was Mpilo's graduation. Umayini, she did post Mpilo. Umangwabe also posted Mpilo. Guys, Kanye nenganyaka uSimphiwe saying congratulations to Mpilo. Guys, the people that did not post Mpilo, obviously we know Umpumelelo and his name. So guys, Musamsaleko took to Instagram and this is what he has to say. Yesterday it was a great day indeed for the Msaleko family. Ndlonkulu Makhumalo Thobile Msaleko served us by raising Mpilo Enhle Aphile Msaleko. She made sure that she goes to school up to university where she graduated. Siyabonga kakhulu mlelikazi omkhulu for showing Mzansi that we can do it. To Mpilo, you must always remember that your mom has done this. To your biological mother, thank you for the opportunity. So guys, Msaleko to uyabonga to Mpilo's mom for giving us this beautiful daughter, guys. And Mpilo, she has also changed her surname, guys. She graduated as Mpilo Msaleko. While Mpilo was busy celebrating her graduation, and people were coming on the comment section dragging Mpilo, saying, oh God, she only cares go Makhumalo, she doesn't care go biological mother wake. Mpilo, she did reply on her Instagram account to say, Mina and my mom, we do have a great relationship. Don't worry, guys. Oh, my mom, she doesn't like social media, because there are people that they don't like social media just because we have a celebrity daughter. That Mpilo and her mom are cool. They have a strong relationship the same way as Makhumalo. So anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment.